welcome to our walkthrough of the product catalog, cart and checkout features. Let's get started. Go to Admin Dashboard and open the Products tab to manage products. Now, adding an image to a product couldn't be simpler. Just a few clicks and voila, we have successfully added the product. But let's not stop there. Let's head over to the home page to see our creation in action. Our newly added product shines brightly on the home page. With our cart and checkout feature in place, customers can now seamlessly add this product to their shopping cart. Our templates aren't just eye candy, they're functional powerhouses. Whether you're viewing it on a widescreen monitor or a tiny smartphone, rest assured, our design adapts flawlessly to any screen size. In the left panel, you'll find all the source files neatly organized. Take a look at the home page to see how the catalog is structured. Navigate to the product catalog module directory and find the UI file labeled catalogdetails.ui.tsx for customization. We utilize Tailwind CSS for styling. For further customization, check out the documentation link given in the description below. Now onto the cart and checkout feature. Essential for any e-commerce app, customization of the cart and checkout pages is simple. For tweaking the cart page, open the cart.ui.tsx file. From adjusting title sizes to changing button colors, customization is a breeze. Backend support is seamless, with each feature having its own server.tsx file for easy customization. For detailed guidance, refer to our documentation at docs.magicjs.dev. Ready to go live? Simply commit your code to merge and publish your project, accessible through the provided link. With MERN.ai, launching your project and showcasing your design prototype is achievable in just one day.